Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Today is Monday, the 23rd of April, and we are glad to present you our weekly analytical review of the foreign exchange market. Last week, the pair EUR/USD fell to the lower border of the horizontal range at 1.2240. Its breakdown may cause a further decline to the level of 1.2150. However, the reverse of the price, with a breakout of the midline of Bollinger Bands around 1.2325 and rise to 1.2415 and 1.25 marks, are more likely. Technical indicators do not provide a clear signal. MACD histogram is at the zero line, its volumes are insignificant. Stochastic is directed downwards. The most important fundamental event of the week will be the ECB's decision on the interest rate with accompanying comments. It is worth paying attention to the statistics on services and manufacturing PMI of the Eurozone, as well as on US GDP data in the first quarter of current year. Generally, the growth seems probable, but one cannot exclude the decline in case of breakdown of the level of 1.2240. Last week, the pair GBP/USD declined to the level of 1.3980, which coincides with Fibonacci's correction of 38.2%. Breakdown of this level will give the prospect of further decline to the 1.3850 and 1.3730 marks. However, the beginning of correction to the levels of 1.41 and 1.4260 is not excluded. Technical indicators show mixed signals. MACD histogram is decreasing in the positive zone, Stochastic is trying to reverse in the oversold zone. Fundamental events of the week include the publication of data on UK GDP in the first quarter of current year, and the head of the Bank of England, Mark Carney's speech. Generally, the growth is more likely, but one cannot exclude the decline in case of breakdown the mark of 1.3980. Last week, the pair USD/JPY climbed to the level of 107.80 and can go further to the levels of 108.50 and 109. If the price is reversed, the targets of decline may be the levels of 106.90 and 106.20. Technical indicators generally indicate growth. Bollinger Bands and Stochastic are reversing upwards, and MACD histogram grows in the positive zone. Fundamental events of the week include the Bank of Japan's decisions on the interest rate, as well as statistics on retail sales and industrial production in Japan. Generally, the continuation of growth is possible, but one cannot exclude the decline in case of the price reversing in the area of the level of 107.80. Last week, the pair AUD/USD consolidated in the area of March lows to the level of 0.7640 and with its breakdown may continue to decline to the level of 0.7560. The key mark for the bulls will be the level of 0.7690. If the price consolidates above it, growth to 0.7750 and 0.78 marks is possible. However, indicators keep showing the continuation of the fall. MACD histogram has moved to the negative zone, Stochastic is directed downwards. Fundamental events of the week include the publication of the Consumer Price Index in Australia. Generally, the continuation of decline is possible, but one cannot exclude growth in case of the breakout the mark of 0.7690. Last week, quotes of gold consolidated to the area of 1332 and may continue to decline to the 1321 and 1313 marks. Breakout of the middle line of Bollinger Bands around the 1338 mark will give the prospect of growth of quotes to the levels of 1348 and 1357. Technical indicators generally indicate decline. Stochastic is directed downwards, and MACD histogram is reducing in the positive zone. Generally, the continuation of decline is possible, but one cannot exclude growth in case of the breakout the mark of 1338. That's all for today, and good luck with your trading.